There are 4 teachers, 96 students are studying in my school. Our lecture always good paid for us and the teachers are loving and caring. Then all the teachers here encourage us. Thank you teachers. The classrooms are bright and full of colorful posters. By using color painting, light and pen have been arranged in every room of the school year. Our school also has a library. All types of the books are available in our school library. We are a seat often. There is a big playground in from our school building. We all play during the PT period. Our school has a computer lab at smart classroom also. We all celebrate many events such as Annual Day, all national events, Children's Day, Teachers' Day, and Education Day, etc. Cultural programming